At agileChilli, we believe software should be for the long run, not just the short term. It should grow and change as the customers grow. We have developed software that is incredibly powerful, yet easy for staff to adopt, and that can be updated to fit new processes as their business grows and changes. During COVID, we could see the rates of poverty skyrocketing in our city. With a lot of our customers being food manufacturers, we spoke to a couple and asked if instead of paying their invoice, they would pledge ingredients to a local initiative that we believe has real impact on the community. That was great. However, over time, as we got to know the Square Food Foundation better, we could see that we could help them further by building them software. Basically, they receive donations of food ingredients from FareShare, which is brilliant, but often end up needing to buy ingredients for their classes that the donations just don't cover. We set out to build a system that helps food manufacturers who wish to pledge ingredients to Square Food Foundation do so in a quick and painless way. They always know what they're getting and can plan recipes around them, reducing top-up shops and waste.
And I'm always in my mind looking for efficiencies at Square Food. So it's a purchasing system with pledge management built in.
As a food manufacturer, if you can help support Square Food Foundation by donating specific ingredients for their classes on a regular basis, please get in touch today.